How to stop singing from your throat. Hello my friend, my name is Andre.mik. I am a professional singer with a classical background. On this channel I give singers easy to follow tips on how to enhance their singing and start to enjoy singing. So hit subscribe not to miss new videos. Let's go! Actually this video is the second one on my channel where I explain you how not to sing with your throat. But in this video we will dive in deeper how to do it. The first tip is support the breath in the lower belly. As I told you in the first video, those lower belly muscles will gently support your diaphragm, which will gently push on your lungs, and you will sing with a steadier pressure of the air. So basically we need to take the tension you have in your throat and to move it to the lower belly, because it should be there and not in your throat. So what should you do? Breathe out all the air you have. You will notice that the lower belly will pull in. When it is pulled in, block the belly muscles in this position and breathe in without moving the belly muscles. You should feel your ribs expand while you breathe in. So basically you need to keep the belly in this position, like in, always when you sing. If you sing loud or quiet, if you sing high or low, you should do it. Hear what effect it will cause. So I will sing a long note. I will begin the note without belly support. Then I will add it. You will hear it. Then I will again do it without. Then I will add it. So I think you will hear the difference. When I do it without, it's difficult, and I can hear immediately feel that my throat is tense. So take this tension and put it in the lower belly. Here. It should be exactly here, not in the throat. And you need to support the breath this way in the lower belly. Always, when you sing loud, when you sing soft, when you sing high, when you sing low. Always. It will give you stability, it will give you easiness, and of course you have to do it not a little bit, not like, okay, it's enough. No, you need to really do it strongly, but it will be difficult in the lower belly, but it will be very easy in your singing, and your voice will thank you. So this tip should help to about 90% of the singers, but some of the singers naturally have increased muscle tone in the lower belly, and in this case you need to do it a little bit in a different way. If you are one of those singers and you have this overtension in the belly, write in the comment, and if you want I will do a video how to support the breath for you. The second tip, let the breath pass. If you are supporting the breath in the lower belly, but you are not passing the breath, it will not help you. So you need to do it. What do I mean when I say let the breath pass? I literally mean that you need to make your voice a little bit breathier. Not every singer need it, because some of the singers have a breathy voice. They sing, I don't know, like if the world was ending. Also, it's not good, but they don't have tension in the throat, and it is another problem. But in your case, if you have tension in the throat, I think it can help you. So basically, what do I mean? I will take again the note, and I will do it without passing the breath. And now I will pass the breath. So you can hear that in the beginning, I literally pass the breath. So you need to do the same. To make it happen, you can try to speak the phrase you want to sing before singing it. For example, not if the world was ending, but if the world was ending. And when you sing, if the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. and you not do if the, if the, if the, if the, if the. The difference is huge, but don't forget to support the breath in the lower belly, because if you will just do your voice breathing without support, it will not be good and it will not work. And the last tip number 3, don't push and don't scream. Sometimes when you sing, you know exactly that you are pushing or screaming. You feel it, maybe somebody tells you about it, that come on guy, don't scream, why are you singing so loud? So if it is your case, please stop doing it. Now you know how to support the breath with the lower belly and use it and sing softer. But sometimes it happens that you sing and you don't know that you push. Like you think that, okay, I'm not pushing, but in fact you push. And in this case, it's more difficult to change it because you don't notice it. But what can you do is try to do this simple exercise. Sing any phrase as you do it normally, so maybe pushing. Then do it softer, then do it again softer, 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 and arrive to the moment when you can't do it softer. For example, if the world was ending, I wanna be next. If the world was ending, I wanna be next. If the world was ending, I wanna be next. If the world was ending, I wanna be next. But you really need to arrive to this super soft singing. And then you will notice that, oh my God, maybe I can do softer. And this is the reason you need to do this exercise. But sometimes in the lessons, like when I do lessons with my students, I ask them to sing softer and they don't change anything, but they think that they sing softer. And sometimes it happens like 5 times they sing, if the world, I say stop, don't push, softer. They do, okay, if the world, I say, listen, but nothing changed. They say, no, I wanted to sing softer. How it is possible that it didn't change? I changed. I say, but no, you didn't change. So it is normal that when you study and when you try to learn something by yourself and nobody is saying you what is going on outside, for you, you can hear that maybe you are doing soft, but maybe it is not. So sometimes we need a teacher or at least a person who will help us to understand what is going on outside. Or you can just record yourself and listen to the recording and try to understand if it is good or not. But if you have issues, if you can't understand it by yourself, it is not working, write on this email and book a lesson with me. I will help you with a great pleasure. So these were 3 tips on how to stop singing from your throat. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe and like. I'm Andre.mik. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye.